Hello, welcome to Future Cars Updates. Today, we're diving into a true classic, the 1956 Jaguar XK 140 MC Roadster. A car that exudes timeless beauty, sophistication, and power. It's a standout example of British engineering from the 1950s. Let's explore what makes this vehicle so iconic and why it still holds a special place in the hearts of car enthusiasts worldwide. The Jaguar XK 140 MC Roadster was in 1954 as the successor to the groundbreaking XK 120. The MC designation stands for Modified Competition, indicating that this version was equipped with special performance upgrades. With the MC package, you got the legendary C-type cylinder head, originally used in Jaguar's Le Mans winning race cars. This meant an increase in power, pushing the 3.4-liter inline-six engine to around 210 horsepower, a significant boost for the time. The result: this car could hit 60 mph in under 8.5 seconds and had a top speed of around 120 mph, which was remarkable for a road-going sports car in the 1950s. Its performance capabilities, paired with its stunning design, made it a favorite among car enthusiasts looking for both style and speed. Speaking of design, let's take a moment to appreciate the XK 140's aesthetics. The sleek long nose and low-slung body give the Roadster an unmistakable silhouette. The front grille, slightly larger than that of the XK 120, and the integrated chrome bumpers bring us of refinement, while the classic wire spoke wheels complete the look. This car is the embodiment of elegance and sportiness, a perfect balance that Jaguar has always been known for. Of the most distinctive features of the XK 140 is its open two-seater design. With the top down, this Roadster is a showstopper. Imagine cruising along a scenic coastal road, feeling the wind in your hair and hearing the roar of that powerful engine. There's a reason this car continues to capture imaginations. Inside, the cockpit is simple yet luxurious. The wooden dashboard, leather seats, and classic Smith's gauges transport you back to a time when driving was as much about the experience as it was about getting from point A to point B. Jaguar made several improvements to the XK 140 compared to its predecessor. For instance, the car was given more interior space with repositioned engine mounts that allowed the firewall to be moved forward. This meant more legroom, making it a more comfortable ride, especially for taller drivers. They also upgraded the suspension and added rack and pinion steering, which improved the handling and driving dynamics. However, what truly set the XK 140 MPEG was its racing pedigree. The C-type head and dual exhaust system allowed for improved breathing, and the car's lightweight construction made it agile and quick on its feet. Whether you were driving through tight corners or accelerating on the open road, the XK 140 MC felt alive in your hands, a true driver's car. Today, the 1956 Jaguar XK 140 MC Roadster is a sought-after collectible. To its blend of performance, style, and heritage makes it a must-have for classic car collectors. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, or even better, drive one, you'll understand why this car is so revered. It's not just a piece of automotive history, it's a work of art that represents the golden age of British sports cars. Thanks for tuning in to Future Cars Updates. If you enjoyed learning about this incredible classic, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all the latest content. We'll see you in the next video.